Today we're stepping into the world of second chances, where the forgotten, the worn, and the overlooked are about to become the stars of your space. This episode is all about the quiet beauty of transformation, taking pieces others might toss aside and turning them into something soulful, warm, and full of rustic farmhouse charm. The images you'll see today are here to inspire. Think of them as gentle nudges, not rules, offering little sparks of creativity and joy as you imagine the hidden potential tucked inside your own home. These aren't templates. They're visual stories to guide you toward your own unique rustic vision. There's something deeply satisfying about rescuing old furniture and giving it a new life. Maybe it's the quiet history tucked into the grain of the wood, or the tiny imperfections that whisper their own stories. Repurposing isn't just about saving money, though that's a pretty sweet bonus. It's about decorating with meaning. All you really need is an open mind, a little curiosity, and a willingness to see beyond the surface. Really squishy. Delicious. When you're curating a farmhouse chic space, perfection isn't the goal, a heart is. A chipped table leg or a mix-matched knob isn't a flaw, it's a feature. It's the soul of the piece. Each item, whether it's an old dresser reborn as a console or a vintage chair back transformed into a wall rack, brings an extra layer of authenticity that no store-bought replica could ever match. What makes this style so magical is how it bridges the past to the present. An old hutch that once lived in someone's farmhouse kitchen could now serve as your cozy coffee bar or an entryway piece brimming with character. It's about more than just function. It's about continuing a story. And in doing so, you fill your home with layers of warmth, tradition, and meaning that you and your loved ones can feel every single day. If this kind of soulful decorating speaks to you, don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration. Your support helps us grow our cozy little corner of YouTube and brings even more creative ideas your way. While Farmhouse chic loves its rustic woods and neutral hues, don't be afraid to let your personal touch shine through. A pale blue sideboard, a gingham pillow, a lace-trimmed shelf liner. These small touches can completely shift the mood and make the piece yours. The goal is simple: create comfort with intention. Let your space feel collected, not constructed. Repurposed decor isn't just beautiful, it's sustainable too. Every curbside rescue, thrift store find, or hand-me-down revival keeps good pieces out of landfills and brings affordable charm into your home. And in the process, you're crafting a space filled with stories that guests can feel, not just see. So whether you're turning an old door into a statement headboard or stacking vintage crates into a playful coffee table, remember, farmhouse style thrives on creativity, character, and connection. Let go of chasing perfect. Instead, let the beautiful imperfections guide you towards something that feels truly one of a kind. Take a breath, enjoy the cozy music, and let your imagination wander as we wrap up today's journey. Thank you so much for spending time with me here. If today's video sparked an idea, stirred a memory, or simply warmed your heart, I'd love to hear about it. Leave a comment, give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to join our growing community. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and happy decorating.